told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Welcome to Curve Nova 2, where confidence meets curves, and every model is cherished for her unique beauty. Today, we're putting the spotlight on Paulina Amaya, a Colombian curvy plus-size fashion model, digital artist, and social media influencer known for her amazing appearance, graceful confidence, and uplifting message of self-love. With her stunning curves and radiant personality, Paulina has become one of the most admired stars in Latin America's curvy fashion scene. She represents the new generation of Colombian models that embrace body diversity and inspire women to love their natural forms. Born and bred in Colombia, Paulina discovered her interest for fashion and modeling at a young age. Inspired by ladies who carried themselves with confidence, she dreamed of making her mark in the fashion world. Paulina began posting her images and fashion outfits on social media, exhibiting her natural grace and elegant demeanor. Her dazzling confidence and sincere approach rapidly garnered notice, gaining her a dedicated and growing following. Over time, she developed her love into a professional career, working with brands that celebrate diversity and encourage women of all sizes. Paulina stands around 5 feet 7 inches tall, 170 cm, and weighs approximately 78 kilos, 172 pounds. Her body measurements are calculated at 42-34-46, giving her a gorgeous hourglass form that symbolizes traditional voluptuous beauty. Whether wearing bikinis, lingerie, or chic streetwear, Paulina's blend of confidence, elegance, and genuineness shines through in every photo shoot. Her professionalism and unique appearance make her a favorite among photographers, companies, and fans alike. Throughout her career, Paulina has cooperated with both Colombian and international fashion labels that value diversity and body positivity. Her work includes advertisements for curvaceous apparel lines, swimwear labels, and beauty companies, expressing her empowering and lively personality. Each endeavor demonstrates her passion to promote self-love, confidence, and real beauty, both in Colombia and on the global scale. On social media, Paulina provides more than simply modeling content. She posts travel adventures, lifestyle moments, and comments on self-confidence and personal growth. Her followers adore her kindness, honesty, and passion to inspiring women to embrace their bodies and express themselves freely. Through her work, she encourages women to take pride in their curves and never compare themselves to artificial expectations. As of 2025, Paulina Amaya's estimated net worth is over $400,000, gained through modeling contracts, commercial partnerships, and social media marketing. Her expanding prominence and passion to body positivity continue to open doors and inspire thousands around the world.